In this video, I am going to show you how to create subdomain and install WordPress. So let's see how we can do it. So to create subdomain and install WordPress, at first we need to log into our Cpanel account. So from the Cpanel account, we are going to scroll down to domain section. So here it is, and after that we are going to select domains from here. And here it will show us all the domains that are available on our web hosting account. Now to create our subdomain, from the top we are going to click on create a new domain. Now here at first we are going to enter our subdomain name, and then we are going to type dot, and now we need to type our domain name. And after that we are going to uncheck this option share document root, and after that we will click on submit. And as you can see that our subdomain is now created. And now let's see how we can install WordPress on our subdomain. So from the Cpanel dashboard we are going to scroll down to software section, and after that from here we are going to select WordPress manager by Softaculus. Now from here we are going to select install. Now at first we are going to select our subdomain that we have just created. So this is the subdomain that we have just created. So we are going to select it, and after that we are going to scroll down to admin account setup. So here it is. Now here we need to enter our admin username, admin password and admin email. This admin username and password will be used later on to log into our WordPress website dashboard. So as you can see that I have entered my admin username, admin password and admin email. So now we will move to the next step. You can do site settings from here, like you can add your site name and site description. But we can easily do it from the WordPress website dashboard. So we will skip it for now. Now scroll down, and here you will see plugins section. If you want to install any of these plugins, then you can select. Otherwise you can uncheck these plugins, because we can easily install these plugins from the WordPress website dashboard. And after that scroll down to the bottom. Now if you want to get your installation details on your email, just put it here. And after that, when the WordPress is installed on your domain, all the details will be sent to your email. Details like WordPress login link, username and password. After doing all the settings, just click on install button. And as you can see that WordPress is now installing on our subdomain. So now we have successfully installed WordPress on our subdomain. So if you want to visit your website, then you can click on this first link. And if you want to log into your WordPress website dashboard, then click on this second link, and in this way you will be redirected to your WordPress website dashboard. So this is how you can create subdomain and install WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video.